Okay, hello. Let's go move forward now for unit 2. In this unit, I'm gonna ask you to install Bracket. Bracket's a text editor, great to create and work with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other languages. So let's go and download Bracket. So you're gonna go to this um, website. Let me put this in Notepad so you guys can see. I don't have Notepad here in okay, so let me open Notepad for a second. So here you're gonna go to this you're gonna go to this address, Bracket.io, type it there, and you're gonna download this editor. You can see you can create files, folders, and it's very useful. So let's go and click download. Take a few seconds. Gonna open, and I'm gonna install this. It's going straight to my folder, my download folder. I'm gonna install on my computer. So yes, I wanted to install in that in my C drive, and also I want to add add open with brackets to Explorer and add brackets launcher path to the command line. So yes, next, install, yes. So it's done, it's installing now. I'll take a few seconds. If you want, you can forward the video until we get this installed. So after we install this, what we're going to do next is add a new extensions to this program that allows us to have better manipulation on our code and finish. All right. So I'm going to see if I have, no, I don't have here the app. So I will just type in my search bracket. I'm going to go to bracket. I'm going to go, excuse me, right click, and I'm going to say pin to my taskbar. And there you go. So where is it? Can find it. So brackets, app, uh, and pin from the taskbar. And then 1 second, brackets, and then pin to the taskbar. All right. I don't see it here in my taskbar, so I'm going to open the app here. All right, so here I have my editor. The next thing that I wanted to do is if you go to the website, whether you just download, in the bottom says popular extensions. So we kind of gonna add a few extensions there. That's gonna make our life easy when we're working with brackets. So to install that extensions, right? We're gonna go and click in this little icon here that looks like a Lego. I'm gonna install there. And then I'm gonna search for toolbar, tool bar. No, refresh, markdown toolbar. No. The first I'm gonna ask is Emmet. Okay, let's go do instead to search. Let's go search Emmet, and then here it is. and I already have the install, so install. The second one that we're going to look is Beautify. Here's Beautify. I also have them installed, so install that. Allows you to format JavaScript, HTML, and CSS files. The other one that I wanted to auto prefix, and here that also had installed. So please install that. Also, the other one that you can install is HTML5. If you do that, you can beta HTML templates, HTML template. You can add new HTML document. I add that brackets tools. I add that one too. It's good. So you had to look for this. They have so many, um, some really useful. Okay, so close. And here we go. So the next step is to use this. Since I kind of want, I'm going to close it and open again so it allows my extensions to reload. Here, I put it to my taskbar, so I'm going to open it again. And what I'm going to do is create a new document. So file, new HTML5. So already created for me, right? This doesn't have anything on it, but I'm going to save this, save as, and I'm going to create a folder for or unit 2. To create a folder for your, I'm going to put this in unit 2. So that's where my website is going to be, in unit 2. And I'm going to call this, since it's the first document that the file engine, the browser is going to look for, so it has to be index. So that's the file that my search engine is going to look. So here I have the first document. It doesn't have anything on it. So if I go to W3 School, I'm just gonna grab some codes. Let's see, W3 School. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to elements. Here I have a paragraph. I think we already did um, images like a paragraph. So I'm just gonna go and create. So when I create the H1 here, this editor automatically knows that I am creating HTML markup language, so it creates the closing tag for me. So this is my second website. So if I save this, file save, or Control S, if I go to the little squiggly line here to the right and I click it, it will allow me to actually debug this at the same time. So I have here the debug, and it allowed me to debug this for the first time. All right, so here it is how to use this bracket. So you do your changes here. Here, create your tag. I'm gonna write here inside my paragraph. Inside my paragraph, I'm gonna write this is my second paragraph. My second my second site. All right, so I'm going to Control S, and I'm going to go here and this reload. I'm going to reload it, and I already can see it here. So this is very basic. We learn how to use this, and now we're going to move forward to create tables, centering images, create links, and navigation bars. All right, very good. I'll see you in the next video.